Alright, so today we have a Kubota Z421 with a 60-inch deck on it, and we got to rebuild the metal spindle. I'll go ahead and show you what the metal spindle looks like. So this is the old one. It's all wallered out. I'm going to show you how to rebuild it. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple task, so nothing too major. But so here's the new one. If anybody needs the part number for this, it's right there. So first thing you're gonna want to do is get your bearing. Get 2 bearings with it right here. Part number. So all you're going to want to do is tap this down. Just go right on around with it. Till you get it in there nice and smooth. Then you're going to want to flip it over. Get your collar. Put that in. Get your other bearing, put it right here, tap this one down, that one just like that. Spin it. Okay, that's all good. Then this one, it's all good. Then you take your shaft. Part number is right there. Trying to do this one-handed, so good, man. Put your shaft in. Alright, so you got your shaft in. Basically, what you're going to do is get that bearing pushed down all the way to there. That way it's seated in there nice and good. And when you pick it up with your shaft, it's seated flush. And then, hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, so now you got your new pulley. Get your new pulley on. Like so. Put your washer on and your nut. That's pretty much it. But you'll want to put this on first on your deck, bolt it down, then put your pulley on, bolt, nut, all that stuff. Be good. That's pretty much the gist of it. Y'all like and follow and subscribe, and have a good one.